For demonstration, I am taking the first example 34 square. Now see, I have underlined the tens digit here 3 because the first step of the rule involves this tens digit. Now what we need to do is just multiply the tens digit of this number by its successor. So the successor of 3 is 4. So the product of 3 and its successor 4 will give you 12, and in the second step you have to just put 1 0 after this product. So we obtain 120. So this completes half of the procedure, and now we need to subtract something from this, and that term which is to be subtracted from this number, that term is 1 less than double of the tens digit. So the tens digit here is again 3. So double of 3 is 6. And what is 1 less than 6? That is 5. So we need to subtract 5 from this. So we get 115. And once you get 115, last step is very easy. Just put 1 6. We get the final answer as 1156. Very easy and easy to master the 4 steps written here, but if you see the steps, it will, at the first look, it will look like that the method is quite long. But let us practice this for another number. Say we have 44 square now. So if you want to find the square of 44 now, just look at this tens digit. We have 4 here. So what is the successor of 4? 5. So 4 into 5, the product is 20. Put 1 0 and subtract. What is double of 4? 8. 1 less, 7. So we need to subtract 7. So the difference is 193. And after that, just put 1 6. You get the square of 44. Likewise, just continue this and we can practice many more examples. Say we have 54 square. Now we will get rid of these steps. We will do it ourselves here. See, 5 into 6, 30. Put 1 0. Double of 5 is 10 and 1 less is 9. The difference is 291. Put 1 6. Say we have 64. So 6 into 7, 42. Put 1 0. Subtract. Double of 6 is 12. So 1 less is 11. So you are left with 409 and put 1 6. Say we have 84 square. 8 into 9, 72. Put 1 0. Double of 8 is 16. So we need to subtract 15. This is 705 and put 1 6. Likewise, we have, say, 94. 9 multiplied by 10. 90. Put 1 0. Double of 9, 18. 1 less is 17. So when you subtract, this is 883 and put 1 6. Likewise, you can move on to 3 digit numbers also. Say we have 114 square. Now here you need to consider this 11 as 1 digit. So what is the successor of 11? That is 12. So 11 into 12 will give you 132. So 132, put 1 0. What is double of 11? 22. 1 less is 21. So when you subtract, this will be 1299 and put 1 6. Further, you can move to a larger number. Say we have 144 square. Here we have 14. So what is the product of 14 with its successor 15? This is 210. Put 1 0. What is double of 14? That is 28. 1 less is 27. So when you subtract 2100 and 27, you get 2073. Put 1 6. So see, the squares of such large numbers like 144, 114, 94, 84, they can be found out very easily using this amazing method to square numbers ending with 4. So here I have written the rule and we will try to apply this rule to find the squares of the numbers ending with 6. For this, the first number which I am going to take is 26. Now, for finding the square of 26, we need to start with the units place first. So, what we do is we write the units place as 6 because 6 into 6 is 36. So, every number ending with 6 has a square which also ends with the digit 6. So, by default, the unit place will be 6. Now come to the tens place. This is one step which you need to remember, and if you can master this tens place, then hundreds place is very simple. So tens place. Now see the tens place here. We have 2 at the tens place. Just increase it by 1, we get 3. Double it, we get 6, and further increase by 1, we get 7. So this is the simple step we need to master. Again, this is 2 here. What is the successor of 2? That is plus 1. That is 3. What is the double of 3? 6. And what is the successor of 6? 7. So plus 1 into 2 plus 1. So 7. And finally, just multiply this tens digit by its successor. So 2 multiplied by 3, 6. So 676 is the square of 26. Now let us just apply this method for another number, say 36, and learn by heart the rule which we are applying. Now see, units place is 6. Now what is the tens place? We have 3 here. So what we need to do with the tens digit? We have 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. Double of 4 is 8. And 8 plus 1 is 9. So we get 9. And finally we have 3 here. The successor of 3 is 4. So the product of 3 with its successor, 3 into 4, 12. So we have 1296 as the square of 36. Let us increase it now. Say we have 46. It ends with 6. We have 4 here. So what we need to do? 4 plus 1, 5. Double of 5 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. Now see, we have 11. So what we do is, we retain the units place 11. The units place is 1. And we carry forward the tens place to the next digit. And what is the next digit? 4 multiplied by its successor, that is 5. So 4 into 5, 20. So we write 20 here. So your final answer is 20 plus 1, this is 21, and 1 and 6 as it is. 2116 is the square of 46. So the difference between these two examples and this example is that in the middle term, that is the tens place, we are getting a 2-digit number. So what we need to do there is just write the units place of that product and carry forward the tens digit to the next step. Say we have 56 square. It ends with 6. Now see, we have 5 here. 5 plus 1, 6. Double of 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So we write 3 and carry forward 1. Because we get 13, so we just need to write the units place 3 here and carry forward the tens place. Now the final digit, we have 5 here. 5 into 6 is 30. So you get 30 plus 1, this is 31, and 36 as it is. 3136 is the square of 56. Now continue this. Say we have 66. 6 becomes 7. 7 becomes 14. 14 becomes 15. So write 5 and carry forward 1. 6 into 7, 42. So your final answer 43, because plus 1 and 42 becomes 43, and 5 6 will be as it is. Increase it further, say we have 86. See, as and when you practice these, your speed of calculation will automatically get increased and you will learn these steps by heart. And at a particular stage, you won't look at these steps, you will just do the squaring mentally. So say 6, now see 8, 8 plus 1 9, double of 9 is 18, and 18 increased by 1 is 19. So we have 9 and plus 1 will be carried forward. So we have 8 here, 8 into 9, 72. So your answer is 7396. This is the square of 86. Further, we have 96. Say ends with 6. Say we have 9 here, 10, 20, 21, 1, 2 carry forward, 9 multiplied by 10, 90. So 92 and 1 6. So 9216 is the square of 96. Come to 3-digit numbers, say we have 126 square. Now consider this as 1 digit. Start with 6 at the units place. Say we have 12 here. It becomes 13. 13 becomes 26. 26 becomes 27. So 7 and 2 carried forward, 27, 7 retains and 2 carried forward. So now we have 12 multiplied by its successor 13. This is 156. So 156. So what is the final answer? 156 plus 2, 158, and 7 6 retain their place. So 15876 is the square of 126. One final example, say we have 156. So in 156, again start with 6. 15 plus 1, 16. Double of 16 is 32. 32 plus 1, 33. So 3 and plus 3 carried forward. Now we have 15 multiplied by its successor 16. So the product is 240. So write 240 here. Final answer 240 plus 3, 243, and 3 and 6 as it is. So this is the square of 156. So see, we have solved 8 or 9 examples, and in the first or second example we were just learning by heart the steps, and through a practice of 3 to 4 minutes only we have mastered all the steps and obtained the squares of all numbers ending with 6 very easily. Likewise, if you have these tricks up your sleeves in competitive exams, you can find the squares of virtually any number orally and mentally. So keep loving mathematics and share and subscribe the channel if you like it.